We're almost done with this project. In this step, we are going to do the DRC, the design rules check, just to make sure there's no errors in the design before we export it for manufacturing in the next step. Obviously a simple project, but you never know. I've seen weirdest things. So here it is. That's where we left off in the previous lecture. I will click on to the design rules check button right here and run the DRC. Just a short interruption to let you know that this video is part of my comprehensive KiCad course that will teach you every aspect of creating printed circuit boards with KiCad from scratch. Go to the course page to learn more about it if you want. Find the link to the course page in the description below and treat yourself with a discount coupon for my YouTube viewers. Okay, let's continue with the video. Okay, looks all good. There's no violations, no unconnected items. There are two schematic parity warnings. So these are the graphics and the text that I've added. So the first error here is the footprint BT1 value, which doesn't match symbol value. Oh, I see. So what happened here is, remember when I changed the value of the battery holder footprint to BAT2030, this does not match what is in the library, so it is causing this error. But I did that knowingly, so it is okay, and I'm happy to let that warning exist without me actually doing anything about it. I'm just going to explain a bit better what I mean. So this error, this warning, is caused because I changed the value of the field value to something that is not matching the original value of the same footprint in the library. So this mismatch of this particular value, this text item in this field, between the footprint in the layout and the same footprint in the library is what is causing this warning. Again, I'm going to ignore that because it's not affecting the actual design, it's just a warning. So cancel out of that. The other issue here that is coming up, the warning, is related to the footprint that I'm using as a silkscreen item. This one right here. This is a footprint that doesn't have a representative symbol in the schematic. So I can actually suppress that warning by clicking on this button right here, just to let PCBnew, or the layout editor, that this particular footprint does not exist in the schematic and it doesn't need to worry about it. So I click on not in schematic and then hit OK and then run the DRC again. And you see now that that particular warning has disappeared and only the one about the footprint BT1 value remains, which, as I said, I will ignore. Okay, so that completes step 6. So let's continue in the next and final step of the PCB layout workflow, where we'll export the PCB for manufacturing.